Alright, this is it. Gee, I wonder what Satan looks like. E.T. told you he's a skull-headed, ugly monster looking. Now, while he's fighting, if there's a problem, if he needs help, you boys jump out and help out. What about you two? Well, just in case you guys also, but if the fight, well, we don't know what happens when the fight's over, so let's just sit here and see how it goes. Huh. Don't be lazy, Captain. I'm not. Anyway, but let's start. Gentlemen, welcome to the BYW wrestling match here on this field. We will now announce a fighter who is here fighting for his risk himself. He's an alien who has his first appearance on this field. He's sitting over there waiting on the top of the steps. He is an alien, the one and only, and the boss of the plumbing hero business. He is E.T. the extraterrestrial. Let's get out of here. Thanks for the welcome into Earth. Ha. E.T. has landed on Earth. Let's make it look, boys. We got your back in this trouble. Thanks, totally. And that goes for all of you if I think goes wrong. Don't make me fire you. And now, the challenger. This ugly one is a skull who is actually very evil. Actually, he's actually worse than Tony the Tiger or anybody. This challenger is fighting because of E.T. It might be revenge or whatever it is. But anyway, he is a fierce one. He's the king of hell. He is divine and powerful. Satan! Hurry this way. I'm ready. Yo! I've been waiting for you, Tay. No canes allowed. You'll be disqualified if you use it. Oh, man. Oh. Tay. We have meat. Oh, we do, huh? Well then. Time to get down and leave me alone. Stop being a nuisance. I'll show you nuisance. I got a deal for our title here up there. We are going to do a deal. If you win, I'll leave you alone forever and never take this ever again. But if you lose, what's your bet? What's my bet? Alright, fine. If I lose, you take everything. You take the company and the title away. And I'm done with, and I retire. That's a good boy. Satan is going to win. Yes, indeed. Alright, let's start. Shall we? Yeah. Bring it on. Let's get fighting. Excellent. What's the big idea? Where did I put my big clothes? This title is actually this play. You're not welcome to Earth. I'll kill you. Help! Help! It was me. Let me up. You dare take my face off? I'll take your face off. Gotcha. We're gonna count to 3 and slam me in the wall. Ready? 1, 2. Hold up. Right. You wanna what? It'll never happen again.
Oh. Where'd she go?
You. I'll never bother you ever again. Sorry about the disturbance. Get them. I won! Yes!
E.T., you won!
Duh!
Wow. And we all pitched in.
Well, thanks for that too.
You have saved the BYW.
Why don't you all join, by the way? Hey, Captain Tom. You didn't even help.
Well, I was about to, but then you knocked Satan out. Who cares? I'm still knocking you out from the training.
Oh yeah?
Well, I'm sorry. I can't talk, E.T., but I gotta deal with this one show off over here. Doesn't do nothing. Hey, wait! Ah! Oh. Victory's E.T.'s winner! Yeah! Looks like we got another fighting over there. Alright, let's head over there. To Embassy.
So anyway, I just want to join next.
We got something to do. Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna run along now.
So there's nothing in this? Just a briefcase?
Told you, it's a title. Supposed to be money in the bank, this and that, and it's part of the tradition of this BYW this company.
Oh. Cool. Well, I guess I'll catch up with you. Boys, wait up!
Huh. Ugh. Alright, time to the top. Let's get out of here. Well, folks, that ends the day. I'm E.T., the extraterrestrial. And I just won back my BYW title and the company. So if you ever make up something like this, and somebody tries to bat it away, just get your pals and yourself together to power them out. Well, thanks for watching Tony the Spirit Plumber. So, and this is E.T. once again, saying bye now. How about, and do me a favor, get out of here.